a lot of people say to me, so what's your best marketing tip? And I would say, well, go listen to your customers, write the top 10 or 20 questions that they're constantly asking. And people think that that's like the most incredible advice ever. And it's because they don't think about, actively listening and using that research and using that intelligence that they can gather to actually drive home their business. And it sounds like, what we now can do is say Bard or Claude or Chat, GTP. We can actually do some of these things without having to go talk to a single person, which is super powerful, right?
You say that we can do it without talking to a single person, and I would actually caution against that, right?
Well, I'm being
Yeah,
facetious to make the point. So
we can advance the process a lot faster and get a lot farther. That should not and that I mean, there's a reason why I wanted to interject right there because
please,
I don't think it's good advice to someone to say, and I'm not accusing you of this, I'm simply saying that it's not good advice to say you don't have to do any research. You don't have to talk to customers anymore,
yeah,
right? What this allows us to do, this technology gets us to a point where we can, instead of doing a whole bunch of the initial phase of research, jump to the next phase, which is the validation, the confirmation of these assumptions around
yeah,
somebody's desires or fears, etc.
yeah,
And that is super helpful because now it gets us to a place that, quite frankly, most businesses never take the time to invest in.
yeah,
And so I think that that's what's useful. But again, it goes back to using the tools to accomplish things that we should be doing in the first place.
right,
Right. The
right,
foundational core elements of any good marketing plan is stuff like understanding the prospect,
yeah,
understanding what they need, what they want.
yeah.